So this is the Wedge Gallery here at the School of Architecture at Woodbury, and I didn't want to just put work on the wall. I wanted it to be something that felt immersive and that you walked in and invited people to sort of lean down and get a closer look at it. So we're cutting those now, and then we'll take the tape. So we've got 20 total here on the floor. We're going to spray them, prop them up, put models and drawings on them. This is my first one I'm spraying, so. And when you bring them into the light, then you see like that they're all like spotty and not done well enough. So.
Yeah, you can see it from right here.
Come on. So, all ready to go, 20 of them. They're going to be propped up here, floating like this. We're going to start to put models and drawings on them. The work that I have on my website right now is just spattered. It's a random aggregation of images. Every time you reload it, every time you upload something new, it gives you this new spattering. And what I think is interesting about that is it puts the work in relation to each other, and it puts old projects and new projects juxtaposed against each other. It puts drawings and models and renderings and things all next to each other. So you get to see the correlations and some of the thoughts and ideas that carry through the work. A lot of them have to do with figural masses interrupting more regularized field conditions. So I think that speaks to the work that we're producing here for the gallery. So I think one of the things that was important with these work, like when we put the holes in there, is the idea that you can still see the grid beyond through the hole, and you see that it's misaligned. So you get a sense that although these pieces aren't behaving according to the grid logic, they're not disrupting it, they're floating above it and levitating a bit. Okay. Plan 10x14. Space is set up. So, pretty rough, but we've got it in there. We've got a few islands. This is some of the work from One Night Stand. That's a Guggenheim Helsinki. Those are drawings from a show called Three Ways, which is part of the guest curators program at A+D Museum. There's a proposal for a renovation of St. Stephen's Church in Chicago. These are drawings of pieces from One Night Stand's Last Call. The work's almost wrapped up for the show opening this Friday. I'm excited to see everything get wrapped up. We're almost there, so almost good to go.